it's me again, Steve Kruger, down here in my studio basement. Now, this is going to be the first episode in a YouTube series that I'm going to create on just how to draw the human face. Now, from what I've learned, if you're gonna draw the human face, always start with the eyes. So that's what I'm going to demonstrate right now. Here we go. All right, let's get right to it. What this episode is going to be all about is I'm going to pass on some tips that I learned on drawing a face, but specifically drawing eyes. We're going to take a look at this lady's eyes. Now, take a look at this guy. I could draw his eyes, demonstrate that, but all these wrinkles, we're going to keep it simple. This young lady has no wrinkles, and she's looking straight on, so that's the easiest way to start. You don't want to start with her looking sideways or looking left or right. Start with her looking straight on. So let's zero in. There's a structure to this. I always start with the upper eyelid, this curve, and comes to a point here, and then this lower eyelid is kind of horizontal. This is an arc, but this is kind of horizontal, and then it curves up like so. And then there's this upper wrinkle above the eyelid. And then you'll notice that these eyelashes do not touch the eyeball. There's this little line right here, if you can see that. So here we go. I'm right-handed, so I always start with her left eye. Now we'll start right here. Here we go. Up, the arc, and then stop right about here. Then horizontal comes down just a little bit and then comes up like so. And bring it together like so. Get that down a little bit. All right. Okay, the eyeball, it's only showing 2/3 of it down here. There's about 1/3 of it that is not showing. She's relaxed. She doesn't have her eyes wide open. If they were, you'd see the whole eyeball. Keep the pupil dark right up here and keep this little dot of white. That brings life to the eye. So we will draw the eye. So it touches down here, and the pupil right up, see, like so. Okay, that brings the eye to life. Let's give her some eyeliner. Give her her eyelashes. And we've got that little line down here. So her bottom eyelashes, of course, do not touch the eyeball. Now this little, the eyeball, of course, is round, so to make it round, you have to make it round right here at the tip, right here, and back here. Okay, we got the eye. Let's put that wrinkle up here. Okay, there we go. Okay, now what I've learned along the way, it's tough. Now, how do you decide where to put her right eye? I've learned that if you measure the eye from this point right here to the back of the eye. Let me mark that. Right about here. Make this big so you can see it. So you put the mark up against her, the point of her eye right there, if that makes sense. And you make a dot right here. And this is where the other eye, her right eye, goes. So again, I'm right-handed, and it's kind of hard. You make the arc here going this way. It's hard to make the arc go that way if you're right-handed, left-handed, then you reverse it. So the trick is getting this arc as close as you can. So we'll give that a try. We'll bring it up and we'll stop right there. Okay, and then down here, down a little bit, and then it comes up. We do the eye, let's see right there. Okay, that eyeball's a little bit bigger than that one. So, do I like that? Okay, feel we're just working our way through this. Have a good eraser. And we'll make it just a little bit smaller. What do you think? Yeah, I like that. Okay, give her the eyeliner. Put that little line up here, that wrinkle. Remember that bottom line down here. So our eyelashes do not touch the eyeball. Okay. All right. Still a little bit bigger, but what the heck. Check out the eyebrows. Come along just a little bit, well, right at the tip here. They go up, and right at the end of the eye over here, it breaks. So we will just, and it breaks right here. Oh yeah, I forgot about this little thing right here and right there. Okay. Now, I've found that most eyes are not exactly equal. Take a look at this eye. This is a little bit more open than this. This eye's squinting just a little bit. So I found no two eyes are really the same. So if you're off a little bit, who cares? This eye, this eye, this is a little bit, there's more space here than there. What the heck? So we are, yeah, I like that. I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. Now let's have a little bit of fun. Kind of boring, so let's put some shadows in. Now this is called a paper stump, maybe, I don't know, but I've got some charcoal, soft charcoal pencil, and I'm putting that on this paper stump. Now if there's real bright light, you're not going to have a shadow, but most eyes, here, let me do this, have a shadow. Like so. This is kind of dark. I didn't want it this dark, but okay, there we go. Yeah, that's kind of cool. You don't want to put the charcoal over these little white dots. Then the eye, you lose the life to the eye. Then I brought the the eyebrows out a little bit so that they line up with the point here. So let's just and let's see. Take a look at this. There's some shadow right here. So we'll bring that down. Give this a little what's it called? Mascara maybe. Okay, and before I go, let's have some fun. I got my palette over here with, let's give her blue eyes. So I'll do this so when you see this on my YouTube, hopefully this will get you to click and check this out. Put these. Okay, so it's lighter with the eyes. It's lighter down here. I'm drawing my brush here to pick this up. Okay, then we'll come in real kind of dark over here. Okay, that's kind of fun. Let's take a look at it. Hope you enjoyed this. My next episode, I'll draw the eyes real quick and then put the nose and the mouth in. I'll show you the measurements on how to do that, how to form a face. You can make a face long, oval. Once you get these eyes, then the face just forms itself, of course, around the eyes. So, everyone have a great day. See you on episode number 2.